Hey everybody, welcome to our channel Vida Universo Mente. This is the most important video we have today because it's the power of good sex. Sex is powerful that it changed our way of thinking and even to act for a good fuck. Arousing, sweating, meaning, screaming, and even crying is sex. Falling in love, obsessing, and being able to kill are some of its consequences. Of course, when the sex is good, humans seems to revolve around sex. Every time we have a thought, our mind revolves around a penis, a vagina, or an ass. Sex is so powerful and strong that it affect our behavior. The sexual issues are hot, morbid, almost sick, even lead us to bros with whom our neighbors lie down. Sex is definitely a battle of power because if you are good at having sex, the opportunities that will be present are many. You don't need to study, just make someone good. That if you have study and have stable and organized life insurance to you will not lack nothing. A good investment for those who cannot study will be learning the art of fucking, because being a good fucker can change your life. The skill no one removed. It is very important because it is able to fall in love, manipulate, and blind in a matter of minutes. If we focus on sexual power in itself, man is that of power, penetrate a body that give pleasure to a woman or another man. Is the power of genital desire, erection, and ejaculation. The sexual act becomes a tool to get benefit of the couple. Sex is good who says otherwise, does not practice, or has had a traumatic experience. Sex helps liberate a powerful cocktail of hormones that give you high dose of happiness. Sexual energy is key, is chemistry, and pure physics. Nowadays, it is easy to have sex, but practically there are barriers of a lot of people cold hard, being easier to lie down than committing to that person. Sexual energy is how money depends on the value and use you give. When we live with someone, we change fluid energies. How energy is not destroyed, only transforms. This is mixed with the partner. If your energy or his other are low, suffer a kind of sexual energy contamination that occur. Phenylethamine, the natural drug that produces the body in love, in excitement, pleasure. The effect is similar to that of any addict causing ailments, both emotionally and physically. Good sex can help because it fixes limited belief you have about yourself, such as acceptance of body and securities, lack of esteem, of self-esteem. If you make sex with people value, you generate a bond of trust, affection, love, respect, and this transform into vitality, health, and radiate a lot of willing. If you are good or good sex is related to the concept you have of yourself, what you think you are. Who knows how to enjoy sex, discover a wonderful source of energy. The important thing is not to be up to pair. meet in bed, live satisfied the other. The models we have are sexist. In sex, Mr. Man seeks performance, competitiveness, not express emotions, repress his feeling, does not cry, is not tender, or sweet, not enjoyment. To have power in sex, you had to be a good human being. Enjoy, be free with your sexual energy. Thank you for watching us, Vida Universamente, to the next video. So give me a like if you like this video, subscribe here on the photography on the screen, and share with your friend if you like this video. To the next time.